So the recipe is going to be fairly simple. I'm going to use 2 packs of bratwurst that I got from Aldi. Of course, you can get them wherever you want to, but that's what I got. Used some mozzarella cheese, some string cheese, a jar of clean tomato sauce, and some basil leaves. Alright guys, we're going to line this pan with some olive oil, or you can use some aluminum foil too, to just reduce the cleaning time after dinner. We're going to slice these sausages down the middle so we can place the cheese just inside. I opened them up just a little bit just to make some room, just so I can make sure that I get enough cheese in there. So you can see that I stuffed them in there kind of. I trimmed them up a little bit to make sure they fit. Pour some sauce over top just to make sure it gets evenly coated. Oh my gosh, yum. And then added a little cheese, because what Italian dish is without cheese? I mean, really. Just put it all on top there. Cover every kind of surface on this dish. And then we're going to sprinkle some basil leaves on top. Oh my gosh, I wish you could smell this in person. It is so good. Bake at 375 for about an hour. And look at this, guys. The cheese got toasted, crispy, baked so well. All the flavors came together. Everyone enjoyed it. I served mine with some spaghetti squash. The kids had it with a little bit of pasta and roasted veggies. It was such a delight. I definitely recommend. So that's it, guys. Super simple, really flavorful. Everybody enjoyed it. Very easy to cook, put together. You can be as creative as you want with it. You can add other vegetables, some peppers and onions or mushrooms. Super good. Serve it over your favorite low carb grain, if you will. I use spaghetti squash. You can use what is this? Like, you know, cauliflower rice. You can do all sorts of stuff with it. And yeah. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to share any more fun and different recipes. And we'll see you next time. Bye guys.